Hey, welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. I'm Teresa.
And I'm Jerry. And we're the channel that brings you the very best in helping you get the most out of your RV through tips, trips, reviews, and all that kind of stuff. Anything that has to do with your RV and getting you out there using it, well, that's what we're all about. And in this video, we're going to talk about the 5 things that we love
about our RV.
So stick around. Hey, welcome back again. In this video, we're going to talk about the 5 things that we absolutely love about our RV. And stick around to the very end because it might surprise you what we picked as our #1 favorite. So I'll go ahead and get started.
Okay, go ahead.
All right. My #1 in this list, counting down from 5 to 1, the thing that I love about this RV is our bed. I tell you what, I sleep so good in there, and we have one of the MyPillow mattress toppers on that bed, and there are some nights that I just want to come out to the RV because it is a great night's sleep. Okay, what do you got?
#4. I love the kitchen table that we bought. We took out the dinette set and bought an IKEA table with it came with 4 chairs, but we bought 2 extras. We can get 6 adults around there so we can play games, we can eat dinner. It's fabulous.
Okay, so continuing with the countdown, #3 is the size of our trailer, because we all know that size matters.
All right.
Yeah, we love the size of this trailer. Not just the length of the trailer and all that stuff, but with the slide out, we have a lot of room in the middle here.
Well, that goes into #2, which is we have a lot of room to sit here. That was mine. The big area that we have, we've got the 4 recliner chairs, and then we've got the 6 chairs at the table. So we've had 8 adults in here. I mean, it's crowded, but it's doable. It's really, really doable.
It's a lot more doable than being in some of the smaller RVs, especially the group that we travel with, and we know you're watching. You know, our trailer kind of becomes the gathering place, especially when we're camping in inclement weather. But it's nice to have the luxury to do that, because if we want to sit around, we can sit around. If we want to play games, we have that space to do it. So, and it kind of goes back to when we bought this rig. We went from a tent to this. So we skipped all of the starter kits and went right to something bigger so that we can get a lot more enjoyment out of it. So #4...
No, your 3...
We did bed, we did space, we did table. And now we're on number 2 on the way down.
Sorry, yeah.
That was a dramatic pause. #2 on the way to item #1 is the ability with this trailer, the way it was put together, to modify it. So like Teresa said, we took the dinette out, we put an IKEA table in. We took out the sofa bed, we put rocker recliner swivel chairs in.
We took down the
boxy valances and put up the curtains. We did the nice steady stair versus the fold-out stairs.
The wallpaper.
And the wallpaper. So we had the ability with this trailer to modify it to meet our needs and make it a little bit more ours.
Yep.
So we really like the idea that once we started modifying, it was like, oh, we're going to modify.
We got lots to do.
So, but I don't know that I would do it in other trailers that I've been in. But with this trailer, it worked out great for us.
Alrighty.
So before we get to #1, I would invite all of you to subscribe if you haven't already done so. And if you're a returning guest to the Happy Place Diaries, Teresa and I just want to thank you very much for coming along our journey with us and sharing your Sundays with us, or whenever you watch our videos. We really, really appreciate each and every one of you, and we really appreciate the comments that get left. And you know, if you leave comments, you know that we answer every single one of them. So we just wanted to say thank you. And our journey is even more special because you're along with us. All right, Treese.
Our number one.
The number one.
Number one thing.
Number one. The number one thing.
The number one thing is our window. We love this window. When we go to the beach, we try and get views of the ocean, or back up to a lake, or back up to the mountains when we can have a clear view. It's so nice in the morning to wake up and pull the drapes up, and you've got this beautiful scenery to look at. You know, sometimes it is, you know, the back of a campground, but
But when we bought this trailer, that is the reason we bought it initially. We kept coming back to that rear living and with the big rear window, and that single item right there is what really sold this trailer to us. So that is the number one thing that we absolutely love about our RV. Okay, again, thanks for coming along with us. We appreciate each and every single one of you. Leave a thumbs up and a comment. But most importantly,
share it with a friend.
Yep, that helps the channel out a lot. And we will see you in the next video.
Hey, welcome back to...
We're called the Happy Place Diaries.
Hey, we're Happy Place Diaries. Welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. I'm Teresa.
And I'm Jerry.
You said you were going to do the rest of it.
And we're the channel... All right, start over.
Hey, welcome back. Hey, hey, welcome back to the...